Welcome, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today, in our mathematics class, we are going to learn about multiplying by 4, 5, and 10. So, let's begin our today's lesson. Do you have any idea what is multiplication? It sounds complicated, but let me tell you, it's too simple. I'll teach you how do you know what multiplication is all about. Let's see how. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a quick and fastest way of adding the same number over again and again. If you can add, and I know you can, then you can certainly learn multiplication. Let's see how by the help of the example. 4 times 5 are 20. But what I said, what is multiplication? It is a repeated addition, means adding on the same number again and again. So you can write it in this way as well. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 are equals to 20. In both the ways you are getting the same answer. So what you can say? What is multiplication? It is a repeated addition. Now let's understand this by the help of some more examples. Let's imagine you have 3 squares and there are 4 circles on each square like 4, 4 and 4. Well, you could add them. 4 plus 4 plus 4 are equals to 12. But this way is too slow and you know how to do it in a quick way. So you can say there are 3 groups of 4 equals to 12. Or you can say 3 times 4s are 12. Now can you see that? Which one is the quick and fastest way? Yes, this way is the quick and fastest way. And whenever we write our values in this way, what do we call it? It is called multiplication sentence, and the symbol which we are using here, that is called multiplication sign. Is this clear to everyone? Now let's practice by one more example. There are 6 vases and each vase has 4 flowers in it. How do we find how many flowers are there altogether? As we say, each has 4 flowers. So we can say 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Now you know what you have to do. Exactly, repeated addition. So you can add on them in this way. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 24. Oh, too much addition. But you know the fastest way. So let's try that. How can we write it here in another way? 6 groups of 4 are equals to 24. And how do we write multiplication sentence for this? 6 times 4s are 24. Very good. I know you are learning it quickly. Now, just learn the terms of multiplication sentence. You know what is multiplication sentence? Whenever we write the values in this way by using multiplication sign between them, that way is called multiplication sentence. Now, let's learn about the terms. Here we have 6 and 4. What are they called? They called factors, and the answer, which is 24. What do we call it? Product. So just keep this in your mind. Whenever we multiply two of the numbers, those numbers are called factors, and the answer we get after multiplication, that is called product. Now let's learn an amazing fact about multiplication. Here you have two multiplication sentences. But what you have noticed in that both are giving you the same product. But why they are giving you the same product? Because they both have same factors, like 7 times 4s are and 4 times 7s are. So what is the fact of this? The fact is, if the places of factors are changed, the product remains same. What do you think about it? Is it really an amazing fact or not? Now, it's time to take a challenge, and I hope you are ready to take the challenge for multiplication by 5 and 10. So let's begin. There are 5 bunches of balloons. So first of all, count that how many balloons are there in each bunch. Hurry up, count, count, count. Exactly, each bunch has 5 balloons. How? 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. Now you know first what we are going to do. Yes, first we will apply here repeated addition. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 are equals to 25. Very good. Now quickly tell me the another way. How do we write it in another way? Yes, correct. 5 groups of 5s are equals to 25. And how do we write multiplication sentence for this? 5 times 5s are 25. Very good. You are learning quickly. Now, let's try it for another one. Okay, first of all, count here how many pencil holders we have. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, how many? There are 6 pencil holders. Now quickly count how many pencils are there in each holder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, in one of the holder we have 10 pencils and they all are identical holders. So we can say that each has 10 pencils. So we can write here in this way. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Now what do we do after this? Quickly tell me. Correct. Repeated addition. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 are equals to? Correct. 60. And how do we write it in another way? 6 groups of 10s are 60. And what will be the multiplication sentence for this? Correct. 6 times 10s are 60. Very good students. I hope now you know how to do multiplication by the repeated addition. So what we have learned today? Today we have learned that multiplication is a repeated addition, and another thing is multiplication facts. And what was the facts? That if we change the places of factors, the product remain same. I hope you enjoy your today's lesson and definitely you learned something new. So, see you in your next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.